Welcome again, YouTube friends. As you know, June 11th is National Gin Day, or maybe you didn't know that, but it's National Gin Day. So I'm gonna make a variation of a Moscow Mule, and it's called a Gin Gin Mule. And the ingredients will be coming up next. The ingredients for today's cocktail are 1 ounce of simple syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice, 1.5 ounces of London dry gin. You're gonna need 6 to 8 mint leaves, and you're gonna need a little bit more for garnish. We're gonna also top with some ginger beer. So this cocktail shaker is a Japanese cobbler shaker, and it's like from a boutique place. And I'm gonna do a little series on mixing different cocktails in these different shakers that I have, and then I'll do a review in a couple weeks. So let's mix this cocktail. So we're gonna need 1 ounce of simple syrup. We're gonna need 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, 1.5 ounces of Brokers. Let's use the other side. Oh. And then I'm gonna use 6 to 8 mint leaves here. What's up, Jen from Jen and Tonic? She did a good job with my April Fool's video and showed me with mint leaves. So let's get some ice into this cobbler shaker here, and then mix this up. See how it does here. I want to mix this like a mojito kind of, without the rum. That's probably good. Take that lid off, get this. Let's get some ice in our glass. And then I'm gonna double strain this. Now you don't have to double strain this. If you like the mint pieces, you can totally leave that. Don't double strain it, just leave the mint pieces in there. And then we're gonna top it with this ginger beer. Next, I'm gonna put a Surfside Sips in there. Then we'll have a little bit of ginger for garnish. Wake that ginger up, and then get that in there for garnish. And that is the Gin Gin Mule. I like Moscow Mules, but I prefer gin over vodka. So this drink is right up my alley, I'm sure. Right up front, of course, you're gonna get the mint, which is really nice. It is sweet, it's minty like a mojito, minus the rum. It's a tiny bit spicy from the ginger beer. Next time I make this, I might even sub the ginger simple syrup that I make instead of using the 1-to-1 simple syrup. But it's a simple drink to make. It's very easy to drink. I think it would be perfect for a camping trip, but it's super refreshing and it's perfect for National Gin Day. So that's it for me for now. Next week, I'm gonna make a really amazing cocktail. You won't wanna miss this. It's got bourbon and Suze in it, and it's seriously excellent. So happy National Gin Day, and we will see you next week. Be well, everybody.